this video, we will learn how to convert tweets into images and post it on Instagram automatically. So the idea here is whenever a new tweet is posted into your Twitter account, we are going to convert that tweet into the image using this Switchboard canvas application. Well, I'll tell you about this application in the video, and automatically post the same image on your Instagram account along with the caption. So this automation is going to be very useful for all the social media marketer and the influencers here. So if you also want to set this automation, come with me and I'll show you the process step by step. So this is my Twitter account where I will post some tweet, and you will see the same tweet will be converted into image and will be posted here on my Instagram account automatically, so that I don't need to post the same thing individually in both the application. And I'm going to do this by connecting these applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. It is an integration and automation software. You can also reach here by typing pabbly.com/connect. I will also attach this link in the description box. Now first, create your free account from this button. I am already an existing user of Pabbly Connect, that is why I am clicking on sign in and then clicking on access now, and this is how you can reach to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And let me tell you, in the free account of Pabbly Connect, you will also get free tasks to test this automation, that too every month. Let me maximize it so that you can see everything very clearly. Now you will have to click on this blue button, create workflow, and we are going to start creating our automation here. So just provide a random name, enter workflow name here. So I am providing the name as auto post the Twitter data on Instagram. Now click on create and you will see two boxes in front of you. Those are trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. When this happens, do this. Understand with an example also that whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, send an email via Gmail application. According to our use case, whenever the tweet is posted in Twitter application, convert it via Switchboard application and then further send the same data to Instagram application. So this is how we need to always select the applications in which we are setting up an automation. And here the first application will be of course the Twitter, since I am going to post the tweet here, and I will then fetch out the data in the Pabbly Connect. And in the trigger event, I want that every time I post a new tweet, the system should trigger. Click on connect, click on add new connection, connect with Twitter and provide the access of your Twitter account. Click on auth app, and this is how your Twitter account will be connected immediately with Pabbly Connect. Now the idea here is, as soon as I will click on this button, you will see the most recent tweet which I have done on my account will be captured here in the response of Pabbly Connect. So instead of clicking on this button, first I'm going to create a new tweet here in front of you and you will see the magic. So here I will click on this button and will post something here as a new tweet. So I'm copying the data and pasting it here, and along with the text I am also going to include an image. So I am uploading this particular image along with this text, and I will finally click on this tweet button. So my tweet has been posted. Coming back to Pabbly Connect and click on this button and you will see the same tweet will be reflected here. The data for the same will be reflected here, and yes, the response is received. Let me show you the details one by one. So here we have the user URL and the user screen name, and we have even other details also. So let me show you the tweet and the image which I have posted on my Twitter account. Alright, you can see it is the same text which I have posted on the Twitter. It is always fascinating to watch the sky change as a new day dawns in. Okay, let me show you, and yes, it is the same content. Alright, so coming back here, and let me even show you the image URL which I have posted. So under this media URL, you will find your image URL, and here I am going to actually use this HTTPS. I will open this particular image URL. Okay, you can see the JPG format. Okay, this is the same image. So coming back here, and the first step of our integration is actually done, which was connecting the Twitter with the Pabbly Connect and fetching the data of Twitter in Pabbly Connect. Connect so that we can send it to different applications and further create the automation. Now, a lot of users ask me that how they can actually convert their tweets into the image format and then they want to share the same image on the Instagram. So I'll show you how you can do the same. So with the help of Switchboard canvas, I'm going to create an image via the tweets, via my tweets, and in the action event we have a single action event, that is create image. Click on connect, click on add new connection, and for the connection purpose it is actually asking for the API key. So firstly I am going to open my Switchboard application and here I am going to log in. Well, I already have an account, so that is why I'm going to log in directly. After creating an account in Switchboard Canvas application and reaching out to the dashboard, under this template section, you will actually find your API key. Click on this button, view your API key, and copy your API key and paste it here. And this is how you can actually connect your Switchboard Canvas account with the Pabbly Connect. Now, the very first thing it will ask you to select the template. Well, the template you created in Switchboard Canvas to create an image from. So I will go back to my Switchboard Canvas account and here I am going to create a new template in front of you and give any random name. So I am giving the name as template for my Instagram account. Okay, so this is the name of the template. Click on OK. And the image which I am about to post on Instagram, I want the text, the image, and a nice background color. So from here, I will change the background color. So how about we take a light background color in the image, which will go with every image or text. So I will take this light blue color, which I'm expecting that it will go with all the captions and all the images. Okay, so this is my final background color. And from this above button, I will select this image and you will see the image part will be immediately added. So let us adjust the size of this image. So how about I keep it this particular size, and along with the image I also want some kind of text in my image. So from here I will actually choose the text and I have placed this text here exactly. And in case you want to do the formatting of your text, you can actually do the same right from here. So how about I maximize this content box, and from the right hand side I will also define the maximum font size as 180. And how about I choose the different font family so that my image will look even better. So I am using this particular font family in my image. So I have this image and the text in my image, and you can see I have this text one and the image one, and the name of my template is actually the template for the Instagram account. Okay, now you just have to save this template and come back to Pabbly Connect, and here you will have to select the same template after refreshing this particular field, basically the template field. Well, you can see the latest template which I have created is template for my Instagram account, and as soon as I will choose the template, you will see the below fields will be changed automatically. Since I have added two things here, the image and the text, that is why it is showing the image and the text field. And of course you will have to provide the height and the width to your canvas. So how about I provide a standard size 1920 as the width and 1800 as the height of my canvas. And finally it is asking for the image and the text to be appear in this particular template so that the image can be created automatically. So instead of adding the image URL and text manually, I am going to take the same data from the above window in which I have actually received the data. Let me show you where is the image URL. Well, you can see I am going to take this HTTPS URL, basically the media URL HTTPS. Let me even show you this particular image first. Well, okay, this is the same image. I am going to map the same image and I don't need to copy and paste it manually. Simply search for this particular field and map it. Okay, so read here, enter text or map data, insert the data from the previous step. So how about I directly paste that particular thing, and this is the image URL which I have mapped. And what is this mapping all about? Well, whatever the details you will map here will be replaced automatically, will be changed automatically in real time. Yes, whenever this automation will work in real time, As soon as the new data will arrive here, the same data will be replaced this particular field, and this is how this automation is going to take place. So this is the power of mapping, power of automation. Now it is asking for the text, basically what text you want to post it on your image. So I want to post the same text which I have posted on my tweet. And where is that text? How about I search it directly via this text? Well, this is the text color, and here is the full text. It is always fascinating to watch the sky change as the new day dawns in. Well, I even have this extra URL along with the test. So let me first check what is this URL all about. Okay, so this is actually the URL of my tweet which I have posted. So I don't want this URL in my image. So I'll have to separate this particular thing from my text, because I'm going to map the whole thing and I want to exclude this particular data. So with the help of text formatter, I'm going to do the same. So before the switchboard canvas step, you will have to click on this plus icon, and here we will search for the text formatter step. Okay, you can see here is the text formatter feature of Pabbly Connect, and now here in the action event we will actually search for the split text function. Click on connect, and it is asking the text to spread. Well, I want to spread the text which I have received in the above window, and you can see the same data I can actually access from here. So how about I search it directly with the full text. Okay, this is the text and I want to separate it. Now it is asking for the separator. So I want to separate this content via this HTTPS. So how about I provide the same thing, HTTPS, and it will surely give me the separated value. Well, whether you want the first segment or the second segment, well, of course I want the first segment only. So clicking on save and send test request and wait for the response. Well, the response is received, the type is split, and let me check the content, and yes, you can see I have the content. So now onwards, whenever I receive the new tweet here along with this URL, this particular function will automatically separate those values and will provide you the text only. And now finally we can map this text here in the switchboard canvas step. So here exactly I am going to map the same. Well, I'll have to first refresh this particular section. Okay, so I have refreshed my automation. Let me open this, and whether I am able to see the split text or not, let me check. Okay, you can see the text formatter by Pabbly split text. This is the step, and from here I am going to map my text. Okay, finally clicking on this button, and you will see the image will be created automatically with the help of switchboard canvas application. And here is the URL of my image. Let me open whether the image we have created is actually looking nice or not. And yes, the image is actually looking nice. And how about I also provide the width of my image and the text a little bit larger. Okay, so coming back to Pabbly Connect, and how about I made few changes in the width and the height of the image. Well, after seeing the image, I think the height is actually quite larger, and even the width can also be adjusted. So how about I change it like 1620 and 1100. I think this height would be sufficient. This height will be perfect. So clicking on save and send test request, and let us check once again this particular image. Okay, so copy the URL, open it in a new tab, and I think now this image is looking really nice. So we are all set to go. Our image is actually ready automatically from the tweet which we have posted in our Twitter account. Now finally I am going to automatically post it on my Instagram account. So again click on this plus icon, and here I will search for the Instagram application. Okay, and instead of choosing this Instagram, you will have to choose this Instagram for business, and in the action event we want to publish a photo. So that is why I have selected the same. Click on connect, click on add new connection, connect with Instagram for business, and provide the access of your Facebook, your Instagram account, and the authorization is successful, and you will see my Instagram account is connected immediately with Pabbly Connect. Well, Instagram account to use, it has been already selected. Now it is asking for the photo URL and the caption. Well, I have just to fetch out my photo URL. I have created my photo photo automatically, I am going to map the same. Again, click here and map your photo URL from the switchboard canvas step. And where is the URL? Okay, let me search for the same, and here is the URL of my image. Now it is asking for the caption. Remember, via the text formatter step, via the split text, we have actually fetched out the text. We have actually separated the text. Let me show you in the response. Okay, so this is the text which I am going to map it as the caption of my image, as the caption of my Instagram. So again, click over here, and from this particular step I am going to map my text. This is the result. Clicking on save and send test request, but before that, let me first take you to my Instagram account. Okay, this is my account. Now I will click on this button and wait for the response. Wait for the image to be posted automatically on my Instagram account, which I have just created automatically. Okay, so the response is received and I'm expecting the same image to be posted here. Let me refresh my profile, my Instagram account. And yes, you can see the same image has been posted automatically, and here is the caption which I have added, and this is the image which has been created automatically. So now onwards, as soon as you will upload, you will post a new tweet into your Twitter account, the same tweet will be automatically posted on Instagram as well, and you do not have to do anything manually. Once you have created this automation inside Pabbly Connect, you can simply close Pabbly Connect because it is just a one-time process. You need to create this automation just once and everything will work in the backend. Pabbly Connect will take care of all the posting tasks in the backend. In case you want to clone this whole setup, basically you want to clone the workflow into your account, I will attach this shareable link into my description box, from where you can actually clone the same workflow into your account, that too for free. And let me even show you my Twitter account. Yes, it is the same text and same image which has been posted on the Instagram along with the caption. So this is how you can automate the posting with the help of Pabbly Connect and Switch Canvas application. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.